Can you really lose your weight with keto diet? Or is it just another scam the weight loss gurus teach? Well, the short answer is yes, the keto diet does work. However, if you do the keto diet in a wrong way, it is highly likely for you to fail. Even worse, you can gain more weight doing it. But luckily for you, we have brought several tips for you to do keto diet the right way. Today we are going to talk about how does keto diet work and how you can do it the right way. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification so that you won't miss our keto diet and weight loss content. With the tips we have given you today, you will be one step ahead of people who are going into this keto diet journey without any knowledge. However, Nothing can be achieved with only words and no action. The most important thing is to take action upon the tips we have given you today. So start implementing our tips starting from today, and you will be one of the few people who actually take actions and change their life for the better. Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to subscribe for more keto diet and weight loss content.